My name is Tara Johnson. I work for the company Arts Etka. Today I'm going to be showing you a traditional Indian art. It's called Rangoli. So over here I have a design here. It's very traditional where we would use coloured rice and coloured rice flour to sort of design outside the house. So I have a couple of different little colours here. So got this, and then what I'm going to be using today is coloured rice. So it's very simple design I'm using. This is sort of a traditional Indian design that would be used. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you get PVA glue and you just dab the PVA glue on. It's easier to do it section by section rather than do the whole piece together. So just pop your glue on like that, pick a colour. I'm going to go for pink, and you can just drop the rice on, and you can use your finger or you can use a pen or anything to just help the rice get into the shape. And then once it's in shape like that, you can just tip it, give it a wee tap like that, and that's the first part done. And then basically you build the image from there. So add another bit of PVA glue on to your next part. And this time I'm going to go for a bit of green. There we go. You want to make sure you have lots of PVA glue on it just to make sure that it sticks down properly. There we go, just like that. If you do this section by section, you can pick up the rice and save it, or if you can wait to the end and get it all together, and then you can have a nice multicoloured one. So I'm going to finish all this off and I'll show you the finished piece once it's done. So this here is the final piece, all finished. If you want to keep it permanent and make sure nothing falls off, wait until the glue dries. Get a bit more PVA glue and just dab it all over the top and let it dry again, and it should hold it nice and firm. The more traditional method would be that it would be drawn freehand outside the house, and it would be destroyed throughout the day of people walking through it in the wind and things like that, and it would be redrawn every single day. But for this, we're going to make a more permanent design, just like this. So we have used rice, but you can use other things in the house. If you have anything that has a bit of colour, you can go out to the garden, pick some flowers. You can use lentils, anything in the cupboard, store food that you can colour, things like that. You can also add little gems on. As you can see, we've added a few bits of gems onto it just to give it a wee bit of a colour, and you can do it like that. And that's it finished.